Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially websites of Gigabyte. So you can download the driver of any Gigabyte's devices driver. Right hand side you can see here the search icon. Just click on it, then enter the model number of your motherboard. Z790 AORUS Pro X and then hit enter. Then click on the product. You can see first one, this one, your motherboard. Then click on support. So you can see there are three motherboard, different version is there. So no worry because motherboard same, version different, but driver installations process, install download process same. So select any which is you using, you select it. Driver download and installations process same. So first select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. And guys, first download, after that show you installation. So audio driver and click to download. Scroll down. Chipset. So first serial driver and second Intel management, and click to download icon. After that Intel management firmware, click to download. LAN driver. Realtek LAN driver and click to download. First latest, always try to latest driver, you can see that. After that VGA driver graphic, you can say display driver, and just click to download. This is download icons to download. And Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth driver and Wi-Fi driver. Wi-Fi also there in this, just click to download. This is download icon, click to download, and second one also. After that you can see it is start downloading in the download box. You just complete it, then show you, click on this icon where it is downloading, it will open, then show you how to install. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations, just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one, right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this, right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back, then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back, then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back, then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver. This is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart, so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.